what we're talking about is ultimately those who are now disciples, they have to become, or students, they have to become gurus and teachers, becoming the next link in the disciplic chain. That is possible not simply by being formally initiated as a disciple, but one has to understand, realize, and embody this siddhanta, the proper understandings, which comes from Yasya deve parabhakti yata deve tata guru tasyaite katsita hyata prakashante mahatmana. So in what we're looking at in training devotees is that they will continue the Vaishnava parampara, maintaining the message as it is.